Hey, so for those of you who don't know me, it's Rob Guilty, putting this channel out for the love of the stock market and stock market trading. This is just to sort of help you along in what trades are we doing this week. Follow it with me, have a look. I've been doing this for many years and it's a passion of mine. So it really is for the love of trading, let's put it that way. This channel is going to sort of give us an insight into what happened last week, what's happening next week. I'll probably put 1 or 2 videos out per week and show you what trades are out there, what's going on, where the market's going and why. One of my main philosophies in this game is keep it simple. So we're going to keep it as simple as possible. For those of you who are starting out, there's a few books down there, go check them out, go have a look. Interesting stuff, it might help you. Check out my website, it's also down there, websites of interest, go and have a look. Would you actually like your own trading bot? Pop down to the description below and you'll find your trading bot there. Just click on it and go and get it for yourself and let it do all the trading for you automated. Hey, let's get on with it. Go and have a look, you know. And yeah, I'm kind of hoping that this channel will help you out along the right road. If you want to follow it, don't forget to subscribe, it'll be great. So effectively what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some charts every week. We're going to talk about the market, we're going to talk about where the market's going, where the market's been. It's an interesting time. I mean, we've been through COVID. Let's talk about what happens in markets when we have these phenomenons and what kind of drops. You know, look, I've always looked at every 10 years you're going to have a correction, and normally it's about 33%. You know, those types of scenarios. Let's go through that, let's have a look. Everything else is kind of like small corrections, think long term, all these sort of scenarios. So this is just my introduction video to the channel. This is just to tell you what this channel's about. Hopefully you'll like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully you'll stick to the channel and watch the channel. Guys, thanks for checking it out. It's Rob Guilty.